The Cat Tree MS012G in smoky gray stands out with its impressive height of 56.3 inches, providing ample vertical space for cats to explore. Its easy assembly process, complete with all necessary parts and clear instructions, ensures that setting up this cat tree is a hassle-free experience. Thanks to its durable material and easy-to-clean surface, maintaining the cat tree is uncomplicated, keeping it looking fresh and inviting. This cat tree is designed with multiple scratching posts and playful features like 2 hanging balls, which help to protect your furniture and entertain your feline friends. Constructed from high-quality particle board, it includes anti-tip accessories, providing a safe and sturdy environment for up to 5 cats weighing 11 pounds each. The multi-level design offers a variety of cozy spots, including 2 cushioned perches and 2 plush apartments, making it suitable for cats with different preferences.